बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to another lesson from Iqra Phonic Reader 2. Students, as you know, we are about to revise the double letter phonograms from IPR 2 and we have covered I guess initial 7 to 8 phonograms, so it's our revision time. Let's start reviewing the sounds of the given phonograms and then we will move forward towards our next lesson. Okay, so let's start reviewing with me. Sh as in fish, E as in tree, ao o u a o j k sh, r as in car, a as in day. Okay, so these are the phonograms that we have completed from IPR 2. Now we are moving forward towards our new phonogram, which is, you can see in my hand. And can you tell me how many sounds does this phonogram have? Very good, it has only one sound. How many sounds? One sound. And what is the sound? Very good, A as in paint. Once again, A as in paint. Very good. Now let's have a look for some of the examples of this phonogram, then we will start our lesson from IPR 2. Okay, my dear prep 6 students, these are the words having A phonogram. Let's start reading first of all and then we will try to guess the sound number. Okay, start reading with me. Tail, tail, pain, pain, chain, chain, snail, snail. Okay, so how many sounds does this phonogram have, students? It has only one sound. How many sounds? One sound. Very good. So if any word having this phonogram will come in your paper, so what you have to do, you will underline the phonogram first of all and then you will write sound number 1 because it has only one sound. Okay, it has only one sound, so we will write sound number 1 like this. Okay, in this way we will write sound number 1. Okay, students, look at this word chain. Another double letter phonogram. Can you see in this word? Very good, it's another double letter phonogram. And how many sounds does this phonogram have? Very good, it has 3 sounds, ch, k, sh. So look at this word chain. What is the sound number of this word, of this phonogram here? Very good, 1, ch, chain. Okay students, so in this way you will solve the question of sound numbers and you will do practice of this question at your home. Now let's start reading from IPR 2. Okay, my dear students, our today's phonogram is given on page number 34 of IPR 2. Now let's start reading. I will wait for you on the stairs. I will wait for you on the stairs. Look at the picture. Stairs means सीढ़ियाँ. Wait means I will stay there and I will wait for you. इंतज़ार करना. Okay. Father paid for the chair. Father paid for the chair. Is it clear, students? Look at the picture. Next one. A snail is on the trail. A snail is on the trail. Snail is a kind of animal. Okay, and trail mean, there are two meanings of trail. First one, path. रास्ते को भी हम trail बोलते हैं, way और path. And the other meaning of trail is the animal's lower body. Okay, animal's lower body is called trail. As you can see in the picture, a snail is on the trail. Okay students, and as you can see A phonogram written with red color, so it means sound number 1. Next one. We will paint the bench. We will paint the bench. Look at the picture. Next one, the maid will dust the shelf. The maid will dust the shelf. As you can see, there is a maid and she is dusting the shelf. Okay, maid. So all of the words having a phonogram written with red color has sound number 1, and you will keep this in your mind and you will read the given sentences 5 times. Now come towards next page. Okay students, now we are going to read the given lines, given sentences, and what is the topic? A brainy snail. A brainy snail. Snail, as you can see, it's a snail animal, and brainy mean intelligent. Brainy mean intelligent. Next one, start reading. Daisy is a brainy snail. Daisy is a brainy snail means the name of the snail is Daisy. Okay. She can drive a train. As you can see, she can drive a train and bring the mail. She can sail a ship or follow a trail. She can sail a ship, or follow a trail. Yes, Daisy is a brainy snail. Is it clear, students? You will read this given sentences 5 times, and as you can see, red color for sound number 1. Keep in your mind. Now come towards worksheet of this phonogram. Okay, dear prep 6 students, you will mark today's date here, and it's worksheet for the phonogram A. Now we are going to solve this worksheet. Take your lead pencils in your hands and start solving with me. Okay, first of all, we are going to read the words given in the box. Look at the first picture. Maid, maid, male, male, pale, pale. Another word for this picture is bucket. Okay, pale. Next one, Spain, Spain. Okay, Spain is a country, and this is the flag of Spain, as you can see in the picture. Okay, dear students, now come towards activity A. Read, match and rewrite the words. So let's start reading. First of all, rain, mail, paint, fail, jail, wait. All the words have first sound of this phonogram. Now we are going to match, and then we will rewrite here. Okay students, in this way you will do matching, and you will write 2 times here. I have written 1 time, you will write 2 times here, and you will use lead pencil. Okay, your work should be neat and clean. Now come towards next 2 activities of this phonogram. Okay students, it's activity B, and what we are going to do, make and write A words. Bail, nail, chain, tail. Okay, and then we will write here in the given blanks. Now come towards C activity. Write the missing words. Ali has dash in his stomach. As you can see in the picture, you have to guess the word having A phonogram. Ali has dash in his stomach. Look at the picture. Pain. I have to dash for the bus. Look at the picture. Wait. It's waiting area. I have to wait for the bus. And the last one. The prisoner is in the dash. Look at the picture. Jail. Very good. Now we are going to solve these 2 activities. You also have to do it with lead pencil. Okay my dear students, in this way you will solve the worksheet. Okay, you will do your work with lead pencil. Now let's note today's diary. You will read the given sentences from page number 34 and 35 5 times, and you will solve this activity by heart. We will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.